you can see here I have two drives, V and W, that are mapped into my Documentum system. V is the government cabinet, and W is my administrator cabinet, the home cabinet for my user. We have the ability to map any user's home cabinet to a drive, as well as any cabinet in your system and any folder within a cabinet. You can see that navigation is as simple as clicking anywhere in the hierarchy, just like you would on a normal drive. Files are all accessible, easily opened by double-clicking and reading the file. If you want to edit a file, you simply pick the one you want to edit, double-click on it, and the application associated with that file will open. So you can see I will make a change, save the document, and it is saving directly back into Documentum. It's finished, I can close it, and it asks me to unreserve. So the reserve is the Documentum checkout, which allows exclusive access to the document. And when you're done with your changes, you can unreserve, or you can choose not to unreserve if you would like to keep it reserved. So I will say yes, unreserve it, and it is now back to normal status. You can see a small icon shows up as a little check mark, shows you that it's reserved. Also, I have the Internet Explorer browser open to my webtop, and it wants me to refresh because it has detected a change as well. And it will reflect the checkout status in its display. So we can copy files around as easily as clicking, dragging, and the operation simply happens. We also have the same interface inside Outlook, where you can navigate your shared drives and access your files that way. You can drag and drop emails from Explorer directly into Documentum, and you can drag and drop attachments from emails directly into Documentum. This interface is integrated with the shell, so all of the right-click menu options are available inside this panel. I can double-click on the file, and it will open in Adobe. The same works for creating new emails. You can also drag and drop files from this interface into an email. And you can see this file is checked out by me, and that's reflected down here in the status. Other interesting option that we have is if you need to import data from your machine in large chunks, you can simply select the folders you want and select the Import to Records Management option, pick a drive, and it gives you a chooser that allows you to choose other drives on the system if you want to, but it opens the one that you picked initially. And you can pick a directory, select it, and it will automatically import all those files that you had chosen in the background while you work, and gives you a nice display to tell you when it's done. Like I said, it works with every application that you have. AutoCAD, all the Office applications are simply double-click and edit. It's very easy to use. Your users will not even notice that they're using Documentum. Everything opens very nicely as if you were using a drive.